Say YouTube, what's good? Welcome to my channel, and definitely thank you for clicking on my video or this video if you didn't already. Not too sure how you got here, but either way, thank you again. This is pretty much set out to be a trailer video, introductory video, just a welcoming video to you guys, letting you guys know what my channel is mostly going to be about. Definitely it's going to be in the realm of credit cards and personal finance, and just being able to leverage and handle debt any way possible, at least through my experiences, and definitely what I know present day, or from what I've learned over time, obviously. But yeah, like I said, I do hope to offer you guys a lot of knowledge and just insider information, or just insights in general on what is in the know of credit cards and credit in general. Once again, guys, thank you for clicking on this video, and I really hope you guys to stick around for any future videos in the near future on my channel. Once again, my name is Taylor Carter, and really hope you guys come back to watch a video. But yeah, peace.